Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Let's get started with Apple TV Plus. We're so proud this year that Apple TV Plus has 35 Primetime Emmy nominations, including 20 for Ted Lasso, a record for the first season of a comedy series, including the second season of one of my favorites, The Morning Show, which starts this Friday. Next, we're thrilled to share our newest product announcements, starting with iPad. At the heart of it all is iPadOS, delivering powerful features while maintaining the simplicity of a touch-first experience.
Under the hood is a more powerful chip, A13 Bionic, and it pushes even further than the speedy A12 from last year's iPad, and up to 6 times faster than the best-selling Android tablet. The upgraded image signal processor in A13 also means the rear camera captures great photos with improved autofocus in low light, and better selfies from the front camera as well. Now, the front camera on iPad is essential for things like remote learning and connecting with family, and that's why we're so thrilled to give it a big upgrade. The upgraded image signal processor in A13 also means the rear camera captures great photos with improved autofocus in low light, and better selfies from the front camera as well. And this new iPad will ship with iPadOS 15.
And now let's talk about iPad mini.
And the performance of the new iPad mini is simply remarkable. Compared to the previous generation, the new iPad mini sees a 40% jump in CPU performance and a whopping 80% leap in GPU performance. And the Neural Engine for powerful machine learning applications also takes a big leap forward on the new Mini, increasing performance by up to 2 times over the previous generation. iPad Mini now has a USB-C port, and when users are on the go, it's crucial to have access to the fastest cellular connections, 5G to iPad Mini. So we've updated both the front and back cameras. And we added a True Tone flash to Mini for improved photos in low light. Also supports Center Stage, a new speaker system with stereo in landscape. There's a new set of slim Smartfolio covers, super fast performance, new cameras front and back, Center Stage, 5G, support for Apple Pencil, and all new colors.
Next, let's talk about Apple Watch.
This is the incredible Apple Watch Series 7.
Across the user interface on Series 7, buttons have been redesigned and enlarged to complement the size and shape of the new display. We also improved durability. It's also the first Apple Watch to have IP6X certification. And 8 minutes of charging is enough for 8 hours of sleep tracking.
Series 7 will be available in 5 new aluminum colors, and Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399. Series 7 will be available later this fall, and we can't wait for you to try it. So that's Apple Watch Series 7. It has the largest and most advanced display ever, an optimized UI with new keyboard and watch faces, best ever durability, fast charging, new colors, and all the great features of watchOS 8. And a great way to stay active and healthy with Apple Watch is with Apple Fitness Plus.
Apple Fitness Plus is the first fitness service designed entirely around Apple Watch, and our users love it. With 10 different workout types from HIIT to yoga, there's something for everyone. And with workouts from 5 to 45 minutes, it's easy to fit one in no matter how busy your schedule is.
Body conditioning workouts like strength, core, and yoga are among the most popular workouts in Fitness Plus. Another great body conditioning workout is Pilates.
We're excited to be bringing guided meditation to Fitness Plus. Each week, new guided meditations will be available in Fitness Plus.
So we're excited to introduce Fitness Plus Group Workouts. Fitness Plus Group Workouts is available on iPhone, iPad, and on Apple TV through AirPlay. Here's a look at how Fitness Plus is inviting everyone to the party.
And the incredible new content and features in Apple Fitness Plus. Now, let's talk about iPhone. Today, we are thrilled to introduce our next generation of iPhone. This is iPhone 13.
Fits into a space that's 20% smaller. IP68 water resistance, incredibly durable. This beautiful design is the same across 2 sizes, iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini. XDR display, pixel precision brightness for longer with support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HLG. We're extending our lead with A13 Bionic.
Up to 50% faster. For graphics-intensive tasks, 4-core GPU, of machine learning with the new 16-core neural engine, new video encoder and decoder, and twice the system cache.
A15 Bionic also powers the amazing camera system on iPhone 13 and a wide f1.6 aperture, sensor shift optical image stabilization, 50% more light. Capture times are shorter too for sharper images of your subjects and fine details. Now let's switch to video.
Filmmakers have used focus changes to tell engaging stories for decades. It's a technique called rack focus that requires skill, planning, and creative vision. Well, we're bringing this capability to iPhone in a simple and intuitive way so you can capture cinema-style moments even if you aren't a professional filmmaker. And guess what? The movie clip you just saw was shot on iPhone, and we'd love to show you more. Focus transitions happen automatically in real time. Cinematic mode shoots in Dolby Vision HDR.
iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini have advanced new camera systems with sensor shift OIS, fantastic low light performance, and cinematic mode also on the front TrueDepth camera. Next, let's turn to 5G on custom design antennas and radio components. Now let's talk about battery life. Better battery life. On iPhone 13 mini, most users will experience an hour and a half longer in their day than with iPhone 12 mini. And on iPhone 13, 2.5 hours longer than iPhone 12 for incredible all-day battery life. Meaning your Siri audio requests do not leave your iPhone by default. Another huge benefit of owning an iPhone is the vast ecosystem that extends what iPhone can do. That includes MagSafe, which we introduced last fall. For iPhone 13, we have leather, silicone, and clear cases. iPhone 13 is loaded with new technologies, including cinematic mode, A15 Bionic that's faster than the competition, our most advanced dual camera system with sensor shift OIS, longer battery life, 5G, and so much more. And we're increasing the starting capacity to 128 gigabytes for double the storage and adding a new 512 gigabyte option.
Best-in-class performance, best-in-class camera experience, great durability, larger displays, and incredible design. This year, we build on that in a major way. Let's take a look at our most pro iPhone ever. Is iPhone 13 Pro.
Yet incredibly resistant to abrasion and corrosion, with a TrueDepth camera system that's 20% smaller. It also has industry-leading IP68 water resistance, also supports MagSafe. As you heard from Hope, A15 Bionic features a CPU with 2 new high-performance cores and 4 new high-efficiency cores, and custom display engine combined with an amazing new display that takes the iPhone experience even further. With our latest technology, this ProMotion display can refresh from as low as 10 Hz to as high as 120 Hz. The new Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion comes in 2 great sizes. Camera system.
Introduce an all-new camera system, starting with a new 77mm telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a new ultra-wide camera with autofocus and a larger f1.8 aperture with a 92% improvement in low light, and a new wide camera that has a larger f1.5 aperture and 1.9 micron pixels for our largest sensor ever, with a 92% improvement in low light, and 3x optical zoom for photos and videos. The new ultra-wide lens design and autofocus system enable incredibly sharp focus and can magnify subjects with a minimum distance of 2 centimeters. All of the cameras, including the telephoto, have night mode.
We're also introducing a way to personalize your iPhone camera with photographic styles. Styles works across scenes and subject types. You don't need to set it every time.
The all-new camera system, along with Dolby Vision HDR recording, produces incredible pro-level video. With major updates across the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras, which uses machine learning and disparity to create a depth map that's built into the video. We also have another pro video feature coming later this year, and that's ProRes Video. ProRes offers exceptionally high color fidelity and more efficient encoding for use in pro video editing apps like Final Cut Pro. You can now record up to 4K at 30 frames per second in ProRes right in the camera app. Next, let's talk about battery life. That means iPhone 13 Pro Max has the longest battery life ever in an iPhone. An all-new camera system with 3 new cameras, ProRes Video, Cinematic Mode, the new Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion, A13 Bionic with 5-core GPU, 5G, MagSafe, and incredible durability features. So here's our new iPhone lineup, including iPhone 12, iPhone 11, and iPhone SE starting at just $399.